Okay.
So what do you got for us, Sam?
Well, Jamal is, he wanted to buy a present for his brother. He kind of got, well, let's take a look.
Cool.
Jamal brought a toy car online for his brother. His brother loves this Lamborghini. He's got a poster on his wall, and he was online and he saw it. And he says, you know what, I'm going to get that. It's a remote control car. I'm going to get it for my brother. So he got it. He saw that ad. It was nice and big and beautiful, and he knew his brother was going to love it, but that's the car he got. He was thinking it was going to be huge, remote control car, and it was much smaller. How can we help him out? It has to do with scale size. See, what he didn't do, he read the product details. Give your little speedster the car of their dreams with this World Tech Toys Lamborghini remote control car. That's what he read. What he didn't read is the product features. 1/25th of a scale, electric power and all that. So that scale factor would actually give him the size of the car. But before we figure out, this is the actual length, width, and height of this Lamborghini. But before we actually figure out the size that he really got, let's talk a little bit about scale factor. So what is scale factor? Scale factor is the multiplier used on each dimension to change one figure so it is similar to another figure. So I've got a couple of rectangles here and a couple of triangles. In this first example, this rectangle is similar to that rectangle, and we do something to the first rectangle to get to the second one. What we end up doing is, what do we do to 3 to get to 6? We multiply it by 2, or 2 over 1. So the scale factor to go from triangle A to triangle B is 2. The scale factor would be 2. If I look at this triangle, notice this figure is getting larger. So my scale factor is a ratio of 2 to 1. This example, notice that my triangle is getting smaller. What do I do to 9 to get to be 3? In this case, I can write it 3 over 9, or I can write it 9 over 3. I'm writing the ratio of those sides. But because I know it's going to go smaller, I'm not going to go 9 over 3. I'm going to go 3 over 9. The scale factor here is 1/3. So if I'm going larger, my scale factor is going to be greater than 1. If I'm going smaller, my scale factor is going to be less than 1. Let's take a look at this Lamborghini now. The small print said the scale factor is 1/25, 1 to 25. Now, this is the actual Lamborghini. But now I'm going from smaller, in this case, I'm going from larger to smaller. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to multiply it by a smaller, or a fraction in this case. So if I wanted to know what this height is of the Lamborghini that I got, I'm going to take that 45, and in this case, I'm going to write this as a fraction, 1 over 25. And these are in inches. I'm just going to do them all out. Well, let's do this one. What would the height of this thing be? 4.5 is approximately 45 inches. That's what this symbol means. It means it's almost 4 feet tall. But if I go 45 and I divide it by 25, I get 1.8 inches. This thing is only 1.8 inches tall. So I'm thinking it's going to be 4 feet. Instead, it's a little bit less than 2 inches. If I take a look at the length is 190 inches. That's pretty long. And I multiply it by that scale factor, I'm going to get 190 divided by 25, and I get 7.6 inches long. Not very long. And the final dimension that I wanted to look at is the width. I want to know how wide this car is going to be. So all I'm going to do here is I'm going to take my 80 inches, and I'm going to, these are all inches by the way. I'm going to take my 80 inches and I'm going to divide it by, or multiply it by, I guess I should show you this. What I'm actually doing is I'm writing these whole numbers over 1. 80 times 1 is 80. These are inches. 1 times 25. So I left those out just so you can see where that's coming from. And if I take 80 and I divide it by 25, I get 3.2 inches. So this thing is not very big. The height is 1.8 inches. The width is 7.6 inches. And, I'm sorry, the length is 7.6 inches and the width is 3.2 inches. We've been talking about surface area also. This is really the dimensions of this thing, 1.8 inches times 7.6 inches times 3.2 inches. A very tiny car. So if you're going to get something offline, do read the fine print. Do read the fine print, Jamal.